One last question about this flooring. Would this be considered the subflooring? For example, I know from reading a visual guide to building a house. Now you know that for you guys that will read the book as well, will know that this drywall being slightly off of the floor may mean that it's lifted, held here by some. So you can see that the builders rigged it up on drywall. I guess maybe whatever the dimensions of the drywall, 1/8 inches thick, well, inch thick perhaps, because this is only the subfloor. There's going to be tile that comes in or some other floor that is leaving space for the floor that, or carpet or whatever material might come in to the actual flooring material that will come in. It can be tucked beneath the drywall, and or a trimming or base molding can be there in that place, or both. So this drywall isn't finished yet, but